In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page in Adobe Acrobat. This can be a useful skill when you need to replicate certain content within a PDF, whether it's for rearranging pages or simply creating a backup of specific sections. Let's dive in step by step to make sure you can confidently handle this task in no time. First, you'll want to get started by opening your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. Make sure you have the document ready and accessible, as this will allow you to quickly navigate through the steps I'm about to show you. Once your PDF is open, direct your attention to the top toolbar where you will find the option labelled All Tools. This is your gateway to an array of functionalities that Adobe Acrobat offers, and it's where you'll find the tools you need for organising your pages. From the list of tools that appears, look for and select Organize Pages. This feature is specifically designed for rearranging and managing the pages within your PDF file. It provides a visual layout of all the pages, so you can easily see the structure of your document. Now, to duplicate a page is as simple as holding down a key on your keyboard while you click and drag. If you're using a PC, press and hold the Control button. Alternatively, if you're on a Mac, hold down the Option key. With the appropriate key pressed, click on the page you wish to duplicate. As you drag the selected page, you will notice a visual cue indicating where the page will be placed once you release it. Drop the page in the desired location, and just like that, you've created a duplicate. Remember, duplicating a page doesn't permanently save the change to your document right away. You'll need to save the updated PDF to ensure your changes are not lost. It's a good idea at this point to review the duplicated content, checking for placement and ensuring that everything appears as intended. Once you've verified everything looks good, go ahead and save your document. Simply click on File in the top menu and select Save or Save As if you wish to create a new copy of the document with a different name or location. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to duplicate pages within Adobe Acrobat. By using the Organize Pages tool, you can easily manage and rework your PDF documents, making it a flexible option for handling your files. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.